Hi, dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see today why sometimes Shift or Ctrl don't work while we selecting in Krita. For example, we are selecting something from this tree, and in order selection to be in circle, not in ellipse, we have to use Shift. But Shift, it looks, doesn't work. Why is it? Because I pressed Shift before I started to select, and I have to start selection and then press Shift. You see? Now it's good. And the same situation with Ctrl. So if you want the point you pointed to be the central of your selection, not like the top left corner, like now, you have to use Ctrl. But let us do it. It doesn't work again, because again you're using Ctrl before selection, and you have to start to select and then to press Ctrl. You see? Now it's good. Thank you. Bye.